and Julia Sondu, showing you where development is happening. Please come and join us. Abia is open to robust partnerships, Gov Otti tells Polish envoy. Governor Otti of Abia State has expressed his administration's willingness to engage in strong partnerships aimed at fostering the growth of the state's economy. Otti made this known during an official visit by the Polish ambassador to Nigeria, Her Excellency, Mrs. Joana Tarnawska.
And with Abia State. We would like to cooperate in agriculture, mining, education, and culture.
Otti expressed his delight at the prospect of partnering with the Polish government, emphasizing that Abia State is the ideal partner for various reasons. He highlighted the state's prominence in agriculture and its ambitious goals in the education sector, aiming to become an exporter of education services to the world. The governor also revealed plans to standardize the education system across all levels and announced minimum standards for public and private schools in the state. He stressed the government's dedication to education, healthcare, and security, considering these areas critical to overall development. Poland to assist Abia government develop Agric, education, other sectors. Abia State Governor, Dr. Alex Otti has assured that his administration is open to robust partnerships that would lead to the transformation and growth of the various sectors of the state's economy. Governor Otti stated this on Wednesday when he met with the Polish ambassador to Nigeria, Her Excellency, Mrs. Joana Tarnawska, who paid him an official visit. The governor expressed his gladness that the Polish government was willing to partner with Abia State and assured the ambassador that there could not be a better state to partner with than Abia. He said, "There can't be a better state to partner with than Abia, and I say that for a lot of reasons. In terms of agriculture, we are very big. In terms of education, our dreams are very big, and we believe that by the time we are done, we will actually be exporting education, if there is something like that, as an industry to the world." Governor Otti further disclosed that there are close to 1,000 public schools in the state, explaining that the government is looking at standardizing the entire education spectrum, from primary to secondary through tertiary levels. Otti revealed that his government had set minimum standard to be adhered to by all the public and private schools in the state, stressing that his administration is very passionate about education. "We are very passionate about education. We are doing the same for healthcare and security. Those are very critical. Those are the areas where people may be tempted to ignore, but they are so important to every other thing we are discussing with respect to development," he stated. The governor further told his guests that Abia is an industrial hub for the entire southeast, with creative potentials, and maintained that with more support from the government, entrepreneurs will do more and even produce products that can compete favorably in the international market. Speaking during the visit, the Polish ambassador disclosed that the visit was her first to the southeast, noting that there was a lot that could be done together between Nigeria and Poland. Nigeria is a country of great opportunities and potentials. We would like to tap into that potential and look for new avenues of cooperation between Poland and Nigeria, and in particular your state. Last year, the President of Poland visited Nigeria. We signed an MOU on cooperation, agriculture, and I hope that we can, on this basis, develop even closer ties with Nigeria and with Abia State. We would like to cooperate in agriculture, mining, education and culture, and I believe that this would be to the benefit of both our great nations. The ambassador of Poland was accompanied by an Abia-born former member of Polish Parliament, Hon. John Abraham Godson, and Uchechi Dekoru, her personal assistant. Lights on Abia State's 24/7 electricity revolution. In the heart of southeastern Nigeria, Abia State has undergone a remarkable transformation under the leadership of successive governors, most notably Alex Otti. The state has emerged as a beacon of economic progress, thanks to its groundbreaking 24/7 electricity initiative. This transformative move has not only ignited businesses but also enhanced the quality of life for residents, making it a desirable destination for investors and homebuyers alike. Advantages to businesses: 1. Increased productivity. Uninterrupted electricity supply has enabled businesses to operate at optimal levels, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. This sustained productivity translates into higher profits and a more competitive edge. 2. Lower operating costs. Businesses no longer have to rely on expensive generators, drastically reducing their operational expenses. This cost-saving advantage allows them to reinvest in expanding their operations and hiring more staff. 3. Increased investment opportunities. The stable electricity supply has attracted new businesses to the state, creating investment opportunities and generating employment. The presence of reliable infrastructure has made Abia State an attractive destination for both domestic and foreign investors. Impact on real estate. 1. Increased property values. The availability of 24/7 electricity has significantly increased property values in Abia State. Homes, offices, and commercial spaces have become more desirable, leading to higher rents and sale prices. 2. Enhanced quality of life. With uninterrupted electricity, residents enjoy a more comfortable and productive home life. They can seamlessly work from home, use appliances, and stay connected to the world around the clock. 3. Urban renewal. The improved electricity supply has spurred urban renewal projects, creating vibrant neighborhoods with modern infrastructure and amenities. This has transformed the overall landscape of Abia State, making it an attractive place to live and work. Economic impact. 1. Job creation. The 24/7 electricity initiative has directly and indirectly created numerous jobs. From the construction of power infrastructure to the expansion of industries, this project has stimulated employment opportunities across various sectors. 2. Economic growth. The increased productivity and investment in Abia State have led to significant economic growth. The influx of new businesses and the expansion of existing ones have boosted the state's GDP and created a ripple effect throughout the economy. Abia is open to robust partnerships, Gov Otti tells Polish envoy. Governor Otti of Abia State has expressed his administration's willingness to engage in strong partnerships aimed at fostering the growth of the state's economy. Otti made this known during an official visit by the Polish ambassador to Nigeria, Her Excellency, Mrs. Joana Tarnawska. Otti expressed his delight at the prospect of partnering with the Polish government, emphasizing that Abia State is the ideal partner for various reasons. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.